Muscle or skinny?
Muscle.
Do you travel alone or
Alone.
is your father?
No, he's my boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend, sorry.
Like tall guy and not too white.
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ
Are you single now or
Single.
do you like tall guy or short guy?
question
Maybe like me, huh?
Yes.
دوستان سلام، اومدیم تو پاتایا خیابون بیچ رود. میخوام یه مصاحبه خیابونی با دخترها بگیریم اینجا. با فرباد اومدم.
سلام
فربادم خیلیاتون میشناسی، تو ویدیو قبلیم دیدید. اومدیم با هم یه مصاحبه خفن از دخترها تو پاتایا بگیریم ببینیم آیا جواب ما رو میدن یا نه.
100% میشه جواب ندن آخه.
قبل دیدن ویدیو یادتون نره سابسکرایب کنید که بریم این مصاحبه بالا با هم ببینیم.
برو.
Speak English? Where are you from? I'm YouTuber. I want to ask you some question. Are you here for holiday?
1 month.
1 month. And how was it? Do you like it? Which city are you from in Russia?
Irkutsk.
Irkutsk.
Oh, it's Baikal.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Do you know I live in Russia?
Really?
Yeah, I live in Novosibirsk.
Wow, I
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't speak Russian.
It's okay. Before I lived in Korea, but I speak in Korean a little bit.
Oh really?
Oh.
And when I fly here, I go to Irkutsk, and after Irkutsk, I come to Thailand. Yeah. And do you travel alone or?
Alone.
Oh yeah. And how was it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like here?
Yes.
You just have plan only for Pattaya, or do you like to see another city also?
Only Pattaya, and I go another city in 1 hour.
Chonburi? No.
I don't know.
It's for one hour, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And actually, how you enjoy here? Like you walk in the beach, or you go to the tour island, something like that?
I don't like tourism place, and I go just
Local area, yeah?
Yes, local.
Yeah.
And
Do
next
you-
I go in Vietnam.
Oh, your next plan is Vietnam. Your first time you've been here, or
Second time.
second time? And the last time you was in Pattaya also?
Yes.
Yeah. What? You don't want to try south?
I want.
Oh, you want?
Next time.
Maybe next time.
Yes.
Okay, nice to see you. Nice to talking to you. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Bye bye. Can you speak English? I'm a YouTuber. Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
I'm a tourist here.
Yeah.
So, are you Thai?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Python.
Python.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is your dog? Very
Yes,
lovely.
my dog.
Yeah, I want to know what's your type.
My type is like I don't matter fast or skinny,
Uh-huh.
but I usually like the funny guy.
A
you
funny
know?
guy.
Yeah, when we talk, and I am a food lover. I like to
Food
eat.
love. Oh, good. What is
Yeah.
your favorite food here?
Oh, usually
Somtam?
here, of course, and I like the buffet,
Oh, buffet.
like seafood.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Which town are you from in Thailand?
From Buriram.
Buriram.
Yes, you
Oh,
have
really?
been there?
Yeah, I was there one time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
what your YouTube are?
I will can give. Yeah. Do you like tall guy or short guy? Or,
If about that, I like tall guy.
yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like tall guy and not too white.
Too white. Oh, you
Yeah.
like dark? Yeah.
Not dark, but maybe or
Maybe like me, huh?
Yes. You're so handsome.
Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, what is your favorite country about the guy? Be from which country do you like it? Like European, African, American, Asian?
American.
American.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have been dating, but oh my
Do
God,
you ever?
this was crazy.
Oh, okay.
I have been dating an American guy. It's like 3 guys. So
Are you single now or?
I'm single.
You're single? How old are you?
23.
23. Oh, you look very younger.
Oh,
You
thank
guess. You think how old I am?
And your friend, it will be like 27.
27.
Yes.
I'm 32.
Really?
Yeah.
So what for your friend?
He's 26. Yeah.
But you look younger.
Yeah. And can you guess which country like I'm look like from which country I am? Just guess.
I can't guess.
I can help you if you want. I'm from Middle East.
Maybe Canada or something.
No, Middle East, like in Asia.
Uh-huh.
Like near Turkey, but not Turkey.
Really?
Near Turkey. You think where?
was?
I'm from Iran.
Iran?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I have friends from there.
Oh, really?
And they was really crazy. You know, when he come here, I mean, my friend him cannot speak English.
Oh, yeah?
Him cannot speak, of course, Iran, but he can speak Thai.
Oh, really?
He cannot speak English. Yeah, it's hard.
Oh, he live here, you mean? He was local?
No, he
Oh, how
live
can
in-
he speak Thai? How he speak?
No.
Oh, maybe he learned, right?
Yeah, it's like him told me him really like Thailand and
Oh,
he
really?
want come to stay here with someone.
So,
now he leave.
oh, yeah? Maybe he changed his mind.
Yeah, maybe when he find a girlfriend.
Oh.
Yeah.
Another question, do you live here or you just holiday or what?
I live here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah, I have a business here.
What's your
have
job?
a
What's your business?
Nail salon here.
Oh, really?
Yes,
You make money
here,
good.
but in Pattaya.
Oh, in the party,
Yeah,
that's
but
right.
I live here, the condo here, because here is really good.
Yeah, exactly. Here,
People
beautiful.
not crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I don't like there is too much people, traffic, busy all the time.
Yes, exactly. I understand.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So, thank you for your answer
Uh-huh.
answer my question. Thank you so much.
You're
nice
welcome.
to see you.
You're
Yeah.
welcome. So what's your name?
Iman,
I'm in.
I-M-A-N. You want to try one more time, maybe?
Yes, I think it's work now. Oh, my dog is tired.
Sorry. Thanks for your time.
Oh, it's okay. You're welcome. Hi.
Yeah. This is my channel. Yeah. Nice to see you. Thank you.
So nice to meet
Have a good
you.
day.
Have a
Bye bye. یه خانواده اینجا وایساده میخوام ازش بپرسم ببینم با باباش قاطی نکنه خودش. Excuse me. Are you Thai?
Yes,
You speak English?
a little bit.
I'm a YouTuber. Can I ask you some question?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. What's your name?
Lami.
Amin. So I saw you operation your nose, so I get like interest about that because in my country it's very popular.
Oh, really?
You know where? I'm from Iran, and many people in my country usually they operation their nose.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you from here or
I'm from Laos.
from Laos?
Yes.
Or you not Thai?
No, but I
Oh.
can speak Thai.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in Laos before, you know.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah,
Do
yeah,
you
yeah.
like it?
Yes, I was about I think 2 times, but long time ago for holiday. Yeah. And are you here for vacation?
Yes.
Oh,
As
good.
a tourist.
Oh, that's
Yes.
tourist. Yeah. Is your father?
No, he's my boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend. Sorry. And how long are you going to stay here?
How long will I stay here?
Yeah,
About 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
Like you come from Laos, right?
Yes,
Yes.
you can come.
Oh, and how is it here? Do you like it?
I like it. Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
This is good place, you know, and nice people and beautiful place.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Are you enjoy here? Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoy it.
Yeah.
So are you the YouTuber from Iran?
Yeah, I'm YouTuber from Iran.
How
Yeah.
do you think about Iran?
Uh,
What do you do? Business in Iran?
Actually, I don't live there. I live in Russia, like for a long time. Yeah.
Russia.
Yeah, I live in
Okay, that's
Russia.
good.
Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube name so I
Yeah,
can
of
see?
course. I will give my channel to you if you want. You can write it. This is my YouTube channel.
Oh,
So nice to see you guys. Thanks for
Nice to
answering.
meet you too.
Yeah. Have a good trip. Excuse me. You speak English? I'm YouTuber. I have some question. Do you like to be in my video? Just some question.
Sorry, I will see. My sister come here now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. یه سریا خب اینجا انگلیسی بلد نیستن، من متوجه شدم. الان اینا مثلا دوست دارن صحبت کنن ولی چون انگلیسی بلد نیست یه خورده اعتماد به نفسش رو از دست داد. بریم حالا از یکی دیگه میپرسیم.
Hello. Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka. Can I ask you some question? Can I ask you some question? Huh? Just 1 minute. Dignity. You don't understand. Really?
این هم باشگاهیمه. تو باشگاه این دخترهای میشناسن. تو باشگاه ازش مصاحبه میگیرم. حالا بچه‌ها این یک کار خیلی سخته. مثلا شما شاید فکر کنین کار آسونیه که مثلا بری تو خیابون از این اون ویدیو بگیری. الان شاید دقیقاً 3 ساعت با فرود تو خیابون، شاید 10 نفر رو فرود پرسید، 10 نفر رو من پرسیدم، جامون رو عوض کردیم. واقعاً خیلی‌ها نمیدونم از دوربین میترسن. معمولاً خارجی‌ها بهترن، ولی از شانس ما امروز هیچ آدمی نیست، یعنی خیلی آدم کم رد میشه. حالا داریم سعیمون رو میکنیم. Hello guys. You guys speak English? You speak English? Are you Thai? I'm a YouTuber. I have some question from you. Are you from here?
No, I'm from Bangkok.
Oh, you're from Bangkok. Are you come here just for holiday?
Travel.
How long do you going to stay here?
3 years. 3 days.
3 days.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. What is your favorite food? Is noodle?
No, it's yum.
Yum.
Yes.
Yum mean what in Thailand?
Yum.
Yeah. This mean what?
This mean what is it's not the food just taste spicy.
Just
Yeah.
spicy. They mean yum, right?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Bang.
Back.
Yes.
I have a question. What is your type? Do you like Thai boy or foreign boy? Like if you like to have a relationship with some guy, do you like foreigner or Thai? Or
I think yeah, I like it all.
you like doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And do you,
Thai boy or foreigner boy.
Foreigner
It's
boy.
okay.
are you single now or you're in a relationship?
Single.
You're single.
Yes.
How old are you?
22.
20. Do you like tall boy or short boy? Tall. Muscle or skinny?
Muscle.
Muscle. Do you exercise?
No.
No?
Yes.
But do you like sportmen, yeah? Yeah. And what's your job?
No, I'm studying.
You study
Yeah, in the university.
in the university in Bangkok. Oh, yeah. And how was your travel here? You like Pattaya or?
I like Pattaya.
Yeah.
We have to go to Thailand.
Oh, you want to go there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You ever been there?
Yes.
Oh, 2 times.
2 times.
Oh, yes. Okay, thank you for your time. Yeah, nice to see you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Yeah, thank you. Which town are you from?
I'm from Isan.
Oh, you're from Isan?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
No,
I was
Isan.
there. Yeah, before I've been there.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
I'm working in a hotel.
Oh, in the hotel.
Yeah.
Yes, I have some personal question. Like, do you like foreign men or Thai men or for relationship? Just some question.
Some caption, it depends. I feeling.
Oh, yeah. Are you single now or
Yeah, I'm
you-
single.
you're single?
It depends. I'm feeling with this guy.
Oh, yeah.
I can use both. If I'm feeling good,
Yeah.
I can.
Do you have any experience before a foreigner or something?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, yeah. So, what difference between Thai men and foreigner?
The foreigner respect the woman.
Oh, respect
More
more than Thai.
The Thai man.
Oh, yeah. Really, very interesting.
Yeah.
So, which country your favorite? Like European, American, Asian, Africa? What? do you have any
I like European.
European?
The long culture.
Oh, yeah. Do you like tall guy or short?
Of course, tall guy.
Short?
Tall.
Tall guy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And what about muscular or skinny or fat or
Muscular, little bit.
muscular?
Yeah.
Are you a sport lady or?
Yeah, I work. I do before, but now no.
Oh, not now.
Yeah.
What is your favorite sport? Bodybuilding or
Swimming.
swimming?
Yeah.
Do you swimming good?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah. What's your name?
Malika.
Malika.
Yeah.
Is little difficult for me to.
Marika.
Marika.
Yeah.
My name is Ayman.
Ayman.
Can you guess where I'm from? Which country I'm from? You can watch me or him. Because we're from same country. You need any help?
Israel.
Mm,
No.
you know, no, but this is very close to you understand.
No. Lebanon.
No, more you closer. Okay, I will big help to you. Near Turkey.
Near Turkey. Near Turkey, I forgot.
You're gonna see in news anytime. They are
Yeah.
talking about
We're from Iran.
Iran. All
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Okay, nice to see you. Nice to talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Where do you stay?
You want
Kill
to
me
kill
for what?
me.
You cannot do this if I say yes.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Good video if I don't say yes.
No, I don't take video from you
No,
because
we
you're
can't
behind
take.
camera.
You want to kill
Where
me?
are you from?
I'm from Iran.
You live here?
No, I live in Russia.
Russia?
Yeah.
You lie me.
No, я живу в Новосибирске.
Где?
Новосибирск.
Новосибирск?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
Just leave it there.
You crazy?
You just bought this to kill us? Yeah.
Are you smart?
Yeah, I saw you just bought.
You have a third eyes.
Yeah.
And what's your name? No, you have cap. Don't worry about that.
What's your name?
No name.
No name.
No name.
خسته شدم ایمان.
واقعا خسته کننده
به
بود.
عنوان یک کامرامن و تو هم به عنوان یک مصاحبه گر.
از خیلیا پرسیدیم، امیدوارم خوشتون اومده باشه. خیلیا کامفورتبل نیستن، این راحت نیستن که تو صحبت
شب
کنن
شد.
تو دوربین. و یه چیزی هم که بود متاسفانه خیلی امروز نمیدونم چرا پاتویا خلوت شده بود. درسته؟
شانسه منم یه دونه گرفتم ویدیو.
آره فربادم یه ویدیو گرفته.
همین بلا سر منم اومد.
آره ولی میگم به شانس هم هست. یه سریا ببین تایلندیا خیلی خجالتیان، درسته؟
آره،
خارجی‌ها معمولا روسا صحبت میکنن ولی متاسفانه
تایلندی‌ها دوربین میبینن خاموش
دقیقاً
میشن.
مثلا صحبت می‌کردیم جوابت میده ولی دوربین رو در میاری یا میگی واسه یوتیوب ویدیو میخوام، نمیدونم حالا چه ذهنیتی دارن، اصلا میخوان فرار کنن. به هر حال امیدوارم از این ویدیو خوشتون اومده باشه. لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره. تو ویدیوی بعد میبینم تو چنل فربودم سابسکرایب
چکر.
کنین. کلی ویدیوی خفن داره. خدافظ. Thank you.
Question.
Hello. Can I ask you a question? I'm YouTuber. Okay.
Hello. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Do you speak English?
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
I have some question. Yeah. Excuse me. Do you speak English? I'm YouTuber. I have some question. Do you like to be in my video? Just some question. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.